I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to trigger an app opening automation on your iPhone. So first, we're going to go to our Shortcuts app, and then we're going to select the automation icon on the bottom middle. If you don't have any automations, you will just select New Automation in the middle here. You can also just select the plus button on the top right. Now, to make this easy, you can type in App at the top here, and when you select App, this is going to run an automation when you open a certain app. So here, this is going to be when you open it, and you can basically have it be run after confirmation or run immediately, and this essentially is going to decide if you need to confirm this action when you open the app or if it's just going to automatically run when you open the app. I like run immediately personally. You can have it give you a notification that it ran, or you can leave that off and just have it run the automatic automation. But first we're going to choose our app, and let's say when I open Instagram, I want my phone to automatically send a message to someone. So we're going to scroll down to Instagram next. And so this is the trigger. So we'll click next. And now we're going to have it decide what to do. So I'm going to scroll down again to Instagram, or actually, yeah, there it is. And we're going to have it click direct message. And then here you can choose the person to send the message to. We'll click one. And at this point, you can see that it shows when Instagram is open, it's going to open direct. So now when I open Instagram, it will immediately open a direct message to this particular person. Now you have your app open automation all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.